Drug of the day, Remdesivir. Remdesivir is a broad-spectrum antiviral medication. It is administered via injection into a vein. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Remdesivir was approved or authorized for emergency use to treat COVID-19 in around 50 countries. Updated guidelines from the World Health Organization in November 2020 include a conditional recommendation against the use of Remdesivir for treatment of COVID-19. Remdesivir was originally developed to treat hepatitis C and was subsequently investigated for Ebola virus disease and Marburg virus infections before being studied as a post-infection treatment for COVID-19. The most common side effect in healthy volunteers is raised blood levels of liver enzymes, a sign of liver problems. The most common side effect in people with COVID-19 is nausea. Side effect may include liver inflammation and an infusion-related reaction with nausea, low blood pressure, and sweating. Medical uses. In November 2020, the World Health Organization updated its guidelines on therapeutics for COVID-19 to include a conditional recommendation against the use of Remdesivir, triggered by results from the WHO's Solidarity trials. In the European Union, Remdesivir is indicated for the COVID-19 in adults and adolescents, that is, aged 12 years and older, and with a body weight at least 40 kilograms, with pneumonia requiring supplementary oxygen. Mechanism of action. As an adenosine nucleoside triphosphate analog, the active metabolite of Remdesivir interferes with the action of viral RNA-dependent RNA polymerase and evades proofreading by viral exoribonuclease exon, causing a decrease in viral RNA production. In some viruses, such as respiratory syncytial virus, it causes the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase to pass, but its predominant effect, as in Ebola, is to induce an irreversible chain termination. Unlike with many other chain terminators, this is not mediated by preventing addition of immediately subsequent nucleotide, but is instead delayed, occurring after 5 additional bases have been added to the growing RNA chain. For the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase of MERS-CoV, SARS-CoV-1 and SARS-CoV-2, arrest of RNA synthesis occurs after incorporation of 3 additional nucleotides. Hence, Remdesivir is classified as a direct-acting antiviral agent that works as a delayed chain terminator. Side effects. The most common adverse effect in people treated with Remdesivir were respiratory failures and blood biomarkers of organ impairment, including low albumin, low potassium, low count of red blood cells, low count of thrombocytes, and elevated bilirubin, that is jaundice. Other reported adverse effects include gastrointestinal distress, elevated transaminase level in blood, lower enzymes, infusion site reaction, and electrocardiogram abnormalities. Remdesivir may cause infusion-related reactions including low blood pressure, nausea, vomiting, sweating, or shivering. Interactions. Remdesivir is at least partially metabolized by the cytochrome P40 enzymes CYP2C8, CYP2D6, and CYP3A4. Blood plasma concentrations of Remdesivir are expected to decrease if it is administered together with cytochrome P40 inducers such as rifampicin, carbamazepine, phenobarbital, and phenytoin, etc. Using chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine with Remdesivir may reduce the antiviral activity of Remdesivir. Co-administration of Remdesivir and chloroquine phosphate or hydroxychloroquine sulfate is not recommended based on in vitro data demonstration as the antagonistic effect of chloroquine on the intercellular metabolic activation and antiviral activity of remdesivir. Controversy. According to the international experts from the British Medical Journal, remdesivir probably has no important effect on the need for mechanical ventilation and may have little or no effect on the length of hospital stay. Because of the high price, the authors point out that remdesivir may divert funds and efforts away from other treatments against COVID-19. In November 2020, the World Health Organization updated its guideline on therapeutics for COVID-19 to include a conditional recommendation against the use of remdesivir triggered by the results from WHO's solidarity trials. And that's for the day. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.